guys, welcome back to Advert Academy. I'm so excited to see you again. Before we start the lesson, I have a question. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have all the luck? Well, the relationship between affiliate and traffic defines the supply side of the affiliate business model. The truth is that if separated from the traffic source, we can't bring any conversions in sales. We lost our value. Only if we buy advertising place, publish our banner and landing page to the end users, then we can realize our value in this industry. The advertising model is determined by the traffic source we work with. Before you start a business, you have to understand how different type of traffic works for different type of ads and products to prevent waste time and money blindly. Advert made an inventory of the mainstream traffic source of the market and their specialty in details. I hope it helps. So, where can I buy traffic source to my website? This is a tough question to answer because it depends on so many factors. The truth is, there isn't a single traffic source out there that is the best for everyone. Some people will have success with a source while others will fail. Why is this? Each traffic source has a unique type of audience that is engaged in different ways. Take YouTube for example. That audience is watching videos for a variety of different reasons. What you must realize is all the visitors to the YouTube have one thing in common. They want to consume video content. So if your site or offer doesn't have any video content, then YouTube likely won't work for you. On the other hand, if you offer a ton of helpful videos that already convert visitors into leads, then YouTube is the best place to be. If I'm just starting out, how do I know which traffic source will be the best for me? Pretty simple. You have to test which source work for you and which one don't. Now there are a ton of traffic sources out there. However, not all should be considered equal. And now I will give you a basic introduction from paid search and to give you a fundamental understanding of how to use paid search to drive more leads and customers for your business. We'll start off by explaining what paid search is. As the name implies, paid search refers to any search process where results are dictated by payments from advertiser. This ads usually appears as text ads, sometimes as banner ads. With paid search, you can bid on keywords to advertise to visitors who are searching your product or service. There are many search engines that support paid search campaign, such as Google Advertising, Bing Ads, Yandex, Baidu, etc. Social media. These companies are able to collect a large amount of information from users, and the information are open and transparent to advertisers. A person who clicks on a tweet or a Facebook post and then arrives on your brand's website will be counted in your digital analysis. Social media traffic has a strong demographic and audience analysis. This allows you to explore in the great depths of what kind of visitors can convert customers. Use social media traffic well can easily extend the brand and the popularity of the company. Here are some recommendations. Facebook, Twitter ads, LinkedIn ads, StumbleUpon ads, Reddit, Instagram, and Pinterest. Native ads. Native ads are often found in social media feeds or as recommended content on a web page. Unlike display ads or banner ads, native ads don't really like ads. They look like part of the editorial flow of the page. The key to native advertising is that it is non-disruptive. It exposes the reader to advertising content without sticking out like a sore thumb. Native ads are not display ads. They won't limited by ad block. Native advertising fights ad fatigue. Ad fatigue is what happens when the audience gets bored with seeing ads. After a while, they simply stop paying attention. Native ads are brand exposure cloaked in editorial content, so they don't hide out of the audience. As long as the content is relevant and interesting, native advertising engages the audience. Users will have a better experience and it is easier advertisers who pursue results to operate. There are two ways that users can get to the native ads. First, click the original advertising bar. Then it will jump to the landing page and leads you to the native advertising. Second, the original bar jumps directly to the product page. Native ads are suitable for running different types of offer. CPL, CPI, CPA, and it is recommended to offer with a higher price. Adult. This word is kind of taboo and there is a more accurate definition, pornography, but we never talk about it. Adult advertising are always logged into porn subscription and casual dating site. Just like dating, you will find those offers run in PPL, even though their business increased day by day. And you can find a $2 to $7 offer for each lead easily. The price depends on the consumption level and the market of the country. Users are widely distributed on specific adult traffic sources. You must find a micro-targeting one to put ads and get your target audience. Regardless of your perception of the adult industry, there is no doubt that in terms of direct feedback and optimization, it is far ahead of internet marketing. Many of the most effective conversion technologies, like those you see on hotel booking sites and regular websites, are born on adult websites. The fierce competition and constant innovation has made the adult field a fast-growing industry. Compared with other vertical products, the success rate of novices here is very high. The recommendation here is ExoClick and Traffic Factory. Now we're going to talk about mobile traffic. Mobile traffic is traffic specific to mobile devices. Mobile ad traffic typically comes from apps and websites. Ads can be in the form of banners, text, and even multimedia. Some networks even take advantage of built-in features in mobile phones, such as send notifications. If you want to bring traffic to your app, website, or click to call offer, then mobile advertising is the perfect choice. We recommend InMobi, Millennial Media, AirPush, GoToMobi, BuzzCity, and TypeJoy for your reference. Content discovery is a relatively new source of traffic. It comes from banners or text ads. It's usually related to what the visitor is currently reading. This ad is displayed in around the web or related articles. Content discovery has the ability to attract traffic from major brands such as CNN. Redirect. A website redirect will take one website URL and point it to another. When anyone types in or clicks on that original URL, they will be taken to the new page or website. It is also known as domain redirection. Domainers buy expired domain names. These domains may still have traffic from old links and contents found through the web. Then they get traffic from these domains and sell them to you. There are some gold nuggets that can be found in domain redirect traffic because traffic can originate from super high quality resources. Another great thing about domain redirection is cheap. A campaign that is suitable for any marketer to run an impulse purchase. Pop traffic. Pop traffic is generated in two ways. The first is an ad tag with a pop-up on its properties. The second is when website visitors have a toolbar or plugin that generates pop-ups on their browser. Most pop-up ad networks allow you to target by keyword or domain name to determine when a pop-up should occur. The pros of pop traffic. Minimum deposits are relatively low. Traffic is cheaper than other sources. It is simple to get started and has a lot of offers and traffics. Cons of pop traffic. It can have low quality traffic and the high competition due to the large numbers of advertisers. Well, this is the end of the lesson. Tomorrow I will bring you more useful content. There are so many traffic sources. I hope that everyone can understand them well and master the skills of using them as much as possible, so that you can run the offer more flexibly and make a big fortune. Thank you so much for today.